Alkenes react with bromine. Part A, name and outline the mechanism for the reaction of cyclohexene with bromine. So let's start by drawing the bromine molecule here. And a good habit to be in, remember that, and I'll get rid of this in a minute, this is an area that's rich in electrons, so it pushes electrons in that molecule there away. So that will be D minus, and this will be D plus. Okay, so let's do the mechanism from here. So there'll be 1 mark for a curly arrow from the middle of the carbon-carbon double bond to the D plus bromine, then from another mark from the middle of the bromine-bromine bond to the D minus bromine. That's going to give me my intermediate. So it doesn't matter which one I put my bromine on. So there'll be 1 mark for the correctly drawn intermediate, and then 1 mark for that curly arrow there. So that's 4 of the 5 marks. So that gives me this. And hopefully you can see that it's an addition reaction. Okay, so bromine has been added to the molecule. And if I draw a line around the reactant, that's that thing there, you can see that it's accepting a pair of electrons, which therefore makes it an electrophile. Explain why there is an attraction between the carbon-carbon double bond and the bromine. We kind of already discussed this. So the carbon-carbon double bond is electron rich, or it has a high electron density. The bromine molecule becomes polarized. That's as it approaches the carbon-carbon double bond, and then the D plus bromine is attracted to the electron-rich carbon-carbon double bond. Part C, draw the skeletal formula for the halogenoalkane formed when buta-1,3-diene. So 1, 2. So that's basically what it is looking like, isn't it, as an alkene. And then, now I know it's skeletal that I've got to draw it, but I'm just doing my working out here. Okay, so my bromine is going to add here and here when I break that double bond, and here and here when I break that double bond. So let me get rid of the double bonds there and there, and then I can put my bromines on here. Then the easiest way to do this is to just put numbers on and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 when you put your pen on the paper, 2, 3, 4. And then off each of these I need to put a bromine on. So I'll do the middle ones first because they tend to be easier to do. And then here, bromine on there, bromine on here. And of course I've written 2 structures here. So at the moment, this one is correct and that one is incorrect. And if you leave it like that, you'll score 0 because this one here contradicts the correct answer there. So what you need to do with questions like this, if you're doing any working out, is make sure that you cross out your working out so it's clear what the correct answer is.